Well, nearly 4 months after the initial collapse, Bozeman City Commissioners voted to not only fix the Bogert Pavilion Shell, but also give it a better future.
Yeah, now the big question is where they're going to get the money to pay for it. MTN's Cody Boyer has more on the City Commission's decision.
Out of 4 possible options presented to the Bozeman City Commission, the Commission opted for the most expensive one to save the Bogert Pavilion Shell. Why? Costing at more than $500,000, they say that this history that's here is worth preserving.
It makes it safer in the long run for this precious community resource.
The Bogert Shell's future was a question mark since snow was on the ground until now.
I was so disappointed when the roof collapsed.
Save it for sure. You can't save it, rebuild it.
I hope they fix it. It's nice for the farmers market.
Unanimously, Bozeman City Commissioners said enough is enough.
The community has embraced it. The community deserves to have this well into the future and to be safe while they're underneath it.
It's a gathering place, farmers market, and ice hockey, and people love that place.
The pavilion, built in 1977, has a history with Commissioner Eho Pomeroy, too. She was a beneficiary.
I was there selling my Korean food for decades under the tap pavilion.
This new option comes with the most expensive price tag of the 4, between about $520,000 and about $650,000. Both Pomeroy and Commissioner Terry Cunningham say there is a reason why.
It's safer, and it's under the new code, it's repaired.
The building is supported by 10 U-shaped beams, and so we only have structural rigidity from east to west. By going to the new building codes, we actually get north-south rigidity as well.
Now, about 4 months, that's quite a bit of time to remain locked behind chain link fence like this. But with this new plan, not only is that one beam being repaired, this option will also reinforce the entire structure and hopefully keep it around for decades to come.
This is a more expensive option, which means we have to go back into our budget and find this money.
8 out of the 10 beams will be replaced, but the money is the next question. As Cunningham puts it, the promise is there. The pavilion will stay.
Bozeman residents trace their personal history right through this building.
As to when you can expect work to begin on the shell, bringing it back to what it used to be, dating back to 1977, that's yet to be decided. The rest is left to the city manager to delegate where the funding comes from to bring it back and to keep it around. In Bozeman, Cody Boyer, MTN News.